Class 2 color code of resistances. Mm, See, resistances are marked with color codes which indicate their values and tolerance and other characteristics. Let us see few of them. Resistors have sometimes 3 band or 4 band or 5 band, usually 4 or 5 bands. See in this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4 bands are there. Now, each color has some number. Black means 0, brown 1, red 2, like this, orange 3. Okay, white 9, gold -1, silver -2. But -1 and -2 are not considered as digits, hence they are not written here. Okay, now let us see the values. See, brown is 1, 1. So 1, 10 to the power of 1, again 1 here. 2, 2, 2. 3, 3. Here it is not used. 4, 4. Here not used. 5, 5.5. 6, 6. Here it is 0.25. 7, 7.1. Okay, these three are used for better, means lower tolerance. We will explain each and everything slowly. Now, you can consider this is these two numbers, these two places 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Each color can be used as digit as well as multiplier. In the bands, okay, see here, see first number, you will start from first number, okay, that is considered as a digit. Second can be digit or a multiplier. Usually two are digits. Next is multiplier. Next is tolerance. So you should write digit. Okay. Now, for example, say you have yellow, yellow, orange, and gold. Okay. See, gold and silver are there. They are metal. All other things are non-metals. So gold and silver are never used as digits. So you should never start from while starting here. See, this is gold. Okay, so you should start from this side, not from this side. First digit, second, third, and fourth. If it is gold, tolerance is 5%. Tolerance means error, maximum permit maximum possible errors, plus or minus 5%. Gold, silver means plus or minus 10%. If there is no band of tolerance, it means it is very cheap and low quality. Means the tolerance or the variation in the resistance can be 20%. Means suppose say a resistance has value of 10 ohms. If it has tolerance 10 means 10% means 10%. For 100 it is 10%. For 10 ohms it is 1 ohm. So for 10 ohm resistance, silver as tolerance code, you will have, that means you are sure that the value lies between 9 and 11 ohms. If it is lesser tolerance, say violet, if violet is used, tolerance is very good. Now let us see the uh, calculation values, calculation determination of value of resistance and then tolerance, etc. See here, yellow, violet, orange, gold. That is the color code. So yellow means from, see, yellow, orange. So yellow, violet, orange. So yellow means 4, then violet 7, then orange 3. So 473. So you should write 473 as like this. 47 means first digit, second digit, then multiplier as 3. Give some space and write 3. Now this 3 should be written as 10 to the power of 3. See, multiplier means it is 10 to the power of something. So first digit is, we will get value like this. So it will be 47 kilo ohms. That is what is said here. See, 47 kilo ohms means it will be like this. Okay, we can write it there. Similarly, green, red, gold, silver. Green, red, gold. Go to green, red, gold. Green 5, red 2, green, red, and gold. Gold means gold is used for multiplier 10 to the power of minus 1. So green, red, gold, and silver, I think. Green, red, gold, and silver. So green means 5, red means 2, 52, gold minus 1, silver 10%. So 52 into 10 to the power of minus 1. We can write here 52 into multiplier is minus 1, which will be equal to 5.2 ohms. And now with the multiplier as silver, see the table, it is 10%. 10%. So plus or minus 10%. So the manufacturer says this resistance has value 5.2 ohms plus or minus 10%. Means its value can be lesser. 10% means how much? Plus or minus 0.52. 10% of 5.2 means 0.52. So it will be that much. Next, white, violet, black. White means 9, black means Oh, sorry, violet means 7. White is 9. Violet means 7. Then black. Black means 10 to the power of 0 means 1. Black is 0. So we will write 9 7 9 7 into multiplier as 0. So 10 to the power of 0 is equal to 97 into 1 is equal to 97 ohms. There, the tolerance band is not present here. Only three bands are here. One, two, three. Fourth band is absent. Only three color bands are there. So blank means it is 20% tolerance. So plus or minus 20%. Next, orange, orange, black, brown, violet. See, when there are five bands, first three are used for digits. Fourth one is used for multiplier. Fifth one is used for tolerance. So orange, orange. Orange means 3. Black means 0. So 330. So right here 330 into uh, this is brown. Brown means 1. So 10 to the power of 1. You will get 3300 ohms or 3.3 kilo ohms. And this is violet here. So violet means 10 to the power of uh, sorry 0.1%. Violet means 0.1%. Now how to remember these digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For that we have a slogan called as BB Roy. BB Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. Okay, remember this sentence. See, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. Okay, see, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, see capital letters only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 10 symbols. 1, 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you should remember this as slogan to remember the color band values. Okay. Now, there are some rules. How to identify, uh, how to read it. You see, this, see here, how to read, whether to read from here to here or here to here. See, if it is 5 band resistance, then only red, green, blue, violet are used as tolerant for tolerance. See, Normally gold and silver are used, or no band is used for tolerance. Whenever you see a metal band in the color code, metal band, okay, you should understand that it is the last band. Okay, this gold or silvers are used as multiplier, sorry, tolerance only in four band resistors. Okay, if you want, you can listen. Otherwise, you can ignore. These are some deep aspects. Okay, even if you don't understand, just ignore. Don't worry. Don't take burden. If it is a five band resistance, then you will not have gold or silver as tolerant bands. If it is a five band resistance, then you will have these as tolerance tolerance bands. See, this red, brown, green, blue, and violet. These tolerance bands, they have lesser tolerance, means lesser variation, means lesser error. So quality is good. So like that, we are going to see that. And the distance between, you can see distance between the three bands will be same. See this distance, this one is same. This is more. The tolerant band will be of more distance. You can see here the first three bands, one, two, three, are equally displaced. One, two, three. The fourth band is placed with a higher distance. In a five band code, one, two, three, four are placed equidistantly. The fifth is placed at a higher distance. You can see here one, two, three, and here it is more distance. See, one, two, three, more distance. One, two, three, here only three. Okay, here one, two, three, four. Actually, there should be some distance here also. Okay, you can see in some places. Four bands here, yellow 47, 4.7 kilo ohms. Okay, so this is uh, yellow, and then yellow means 4. Next you have 7. This is violet. Is it violet? Is this violet? Okay, it is violet. Actually, it looks like pink, not violet, but here it says he's saying violet. Then red is the multiplier. So red is 2, BB, right, 2. So 4, 7 into 100, 10 to the power of 2. So 4700 means 4.7 kilo ohms. Then you have silver here as tolerance. Okay, right. Anyhow, sometimes in the web, in the internet also, there may be some errors. You should understand the basics, and then you can Learn more by seeing more websites. See, there are also some six band resistances, which is not required for your level. The sixth band gives value of temperature coefficient of the resistance. First three are digits. Fourth band is multiplier. Fifth band is tolerance. Sixth band is temperature coefficient. So like that. So in the lab, you will be given some resistances. Say 5 to 10 resistances will be given. Write the color code here. Say red, yellow, black, silver, etc. Now according to the code you calculate here, write the value here. Take a multimeter and measure the value practically. You write it here. Assume that the multimeter value is accurate value. Then find the error if you require. You can find the error. Okay, percentage error you can write here or error. Also, you write the tolerance as per color coding. Say silver, if it is silver, write here 10%. Make sure that this value is lesser than this value. Okay. So this is what it says. Right. Anything extra? Fine. For BB Roy, you also have other slogans. See, you can remember any slogan. Bad boys ring our. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had a very good wife. See the capital letters here. Better be right, or you great big venture goes wrong. So which slogan you like? You can remember. Okay.